We have Adobe Photoshop 2022, and this Adobe have a message when it are opened, and after a while this message appears: sorry, this Adobe App is not available. So we have the solution. We create an app, and this app will remove message from your Photoshop or Illustrator 2022 or 2023. So you need only to execute it, and it's done. It's so easy. You don't need to reinstall your software or or do something more complicated. Now I can use, and no message will appear. I will show to you. If you need this application, you can send me a message on the description of video. We have link for your social pages. Thank you to show this video, and have a good day, everyone.